Are you looking for the best monitor arms? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best monitor arms on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Pout i12 Dual Aluminum Monitor. You have to be very careful with super cheap monitor arms you buy off Amazon. But that's not to say there's nothing good out there. I tested this one out based on the clean look and cheap price, and although it's far from perfect, I found a lot to like with it. First, there's the design. It's a simple touch, but the dual-tone, gray and black aesthetic has a bit more flavor than your average all-black monitor arm. Even though it says it's made out of aluminum, the majority of the parts are plastic. The mechanism in the arm is mechanical, or spring-assisted, as the company says, meaning the motion isn't as fluid. After testing, though, I found it to be plenty stable, especially for lighter monitors that will more or less be stationary. The built-in cable management is a nice addition too. Number 2. Wali Ultrawide Monitor Arm. I made the brilliant decision to buy a 42-inch monitor without thinking about actually using a 42-inch monitor. Most monitor stands can't support that kind of weight, regardless of whether you're using something like a 42-inch LG C4 or Samsung's massive Odyssey OLED G9. This arm from Wali looks inconspicuous, but it's kept my monitor, the KTC G42P5, stable for over a year without even a hint of droop. There are 2 versions of this monitor arm, one that supports up to 33 pounds and another that supports up to 44. My KTC monitor is 33.07 pounds, and it's been stable, even with the 33-pound version. If you're over that point, I'd suggest the more expensive version. Either way, this thing can even handle the TV-sized, 49-inch gaming monitors out there, if that's what floats your boat. Regardless of the version you choose, they're both fairly cheap. I picked mine up for around $60, which is much less than most heavy-duty monitor arms. Number 3. Ergotron LX Monitor Arm. Durable, sturdy, and versatile, the Ergotron LX Pro offers an excellent range of movement to help you find the ideal position and angle for your monitor. Once clamped and adjusted with the provided tools, this mount keeps things satisfyingly steady, and it's easy to move your monitor should you need to. It's one of the few monitor arms that can tilt all the way up to 75 degrees and 360 degrees around too. I use it alongside the older Ergotron LX, $185, which has a wider base and can handle a bit more weight. While the Pro isn't necessarily better, it does have a smaller footprint and superior tilt. It's a Visa-compatible mount with built-in cable management, capable of handling displays up to 34 inches and 22 pounds. There's even a model with a taller, 13-inch pole, which greatly extends the amount of height adjustment you have.